Switch on the device by pressing the green button. When the light starts to slowly blink red, it indicates the device is starting up. This process takes up to 5 minutes. During that time, the EyeD is ready for you to log in via tablet or smartphone. When the device is ready for use, the indicator light will blink rapidly green. After logging in, the light will stop blinking and stays green. You can now select your default measurement settings. Next, you can hook the EyeD onto the mixer chute by using the ratchets and cables on both sides of the device. Make sure the pins on the back of the EyeD are fully pressed in and that the device is perfectly centered. This will limit the space between the device and the chute and reduce spilling. If connected correctly, a green light will start blinking while measuring automatically. You are now ready for discharge. During the discharge, you have to update your measurement data in order to receive a full report. After completing the discharge, you can remove the EyeD by pulling the release lever and loosening the cables. You can now easily unhook the device from the mixer chute. Clean the EyeD thoroughly before the next measurement. If not clean, your results will be unreliable. At the end of the day, you can turn the device off by keeping the button pressed for 10 seconds. The indicator light will blink rapidly red before turning off completely. Any questions about using Dramix EyeD? Don't hesitate to get in touch.